Community Unity Week is our largest donation throughout the year. It sustains our families for at least 6 to 8 months. It really is heartwarming to watch all the children, all the adults, all the teachers, administrators come together for the good of the community. They don't have to do this. They do it because they want to, and to watch them be so excited to give back to their neighbors, just wonderful to see.
This week, it is so important to us, especially in the year that we're in and the year that we just came from. It is really special to us knowing that we can help families out there right here in the Blue Springs community, and just really being able to provide support and us working together to help them in general.
I used all my birthday money for 2 years. I wanted to save up for this because I knew it was coming up. I bring ramen noodles, fruit snacks, Capri Suns, and I wanted people to have food and not get sick or anything.
It just shows that as a district, and we're separated from schools and Blue Springs South, different elementary schools, but it shows that we can all unify as one, and it's really cool that we're able to all come together and make a bigger impact on our district, our city.